Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile stream difficulties. To know how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile stream difficulties, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about this window of FIFA mobile. Then in this list of app info you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all the steps then you can turn off your phone and you can know how to fix your problem on FIFA mobile. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.